Yo, welcome back to another video. I need to stop doing that. I mean, what am I doing? Today's video, I'm going to be reacting to Crythix, Rainforest, his GBC wildcard actually. I know GBC happened. I know all this is a little old, a little old, but I've yet to see any GBC wildcard actually. I think I've only seen Nolshul's drop challenge. Nolshul's Instagram will be right here. Oh, yeah, there it is. Everyone go give him big follow, all that. Did great during GBC. For what I've heard. I mean, nothing's dropped already. But without further ado, let's get into this Crythix video. Let's get into this video already.
Stuck in the rainforest, stuck killing to keep alive. The storm begins to strike, it I push on to survive. I'm crawling through the mud with the vines on my back.
Sorry to pause, but the lyrics are a little iffy so far. I'm not sure. The track is called Rainforest, so the lyrics do match, but they're just, I don't know. Wait, I'll just get more into the video. I'm sorry for pausing. I'll try not to pause that much. Or I'll try not to pause at all.
The creatures in the dark are preparing to attack. Master must find a way out.
He is leveled up, man. That's all I'm gonna say. He's leveled up so much. He's so good now. He was good, you know, a little while ago, but he's just even better. He's just leveled up.
Must find a way out. Pretty put up.
Holy, bro, that last drop is insane. I love that. We gotta run back that last drop.
Must find a way out. Pretty put up
the pitch. Holy, oh my lord. So on to my thoughts about the track. First thing I gotta say, that last drop, insane, amazing, right? Absolutely nothing wrong with that drop at the end. Otherwise, all I gotta say, I mean, there's really no critiques or anything I can point out with this track. I'd say other than the intro was a little long, you know, but that doesn't really make it any worse. I'd say overall it was a solid track. He's kept kind of that old Crythix vibe in it, while still just leveling up more and more. He's just always kept that old Crythix vibe. That track is just insane. Honestly, let's run that back one more time. Let's just go over the track one more time.
find a way out.
Pitching of that lip oscillation. The pitching is insane.
Must find a way out.
Never gets old. Keep it going, man. Oh, there's really nothing else I gotta say other than this track. It is insane. I don't know if it's just me. You guys obviously have, different opinions. Down in the comments, let me know your guys' opinion on this track. Let me know. Do you guys like it? Do you guys not like it? What's some points in it that you guys don't like? Because overall, I liked the entire thing. Other than, honestly, the lyrics at the start were a little bit iffy, but that doesn't mark it down any less. Like, the track overall is just really, really solid. And I'm really hoping that when the GBC videos drop, he does this track live. I'd really like to see this track live, especially that last drop. I'd like to see how the crowd reacts to that. Well, anyways, that is going to end off our second reaction video on the channel. If you guys want more content like this, please drop a like, subscribe, and comment what videos you would want me to react to. And also, right here, my email. You can send me videos there and requests. Anyways, I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace!